Uh, I hope you are doing well. So this is a question which was sent by one of the students. So initially here, this topic is based on calculating equilibrium constant. So what we are given here, they say initially on this page here, they say initial mole of CH4 gas and 1.8 mole of water are mixed in a sealed container 2 cubic centimeter 2 cubic decimeter container. So if you can check here, the formula which is given, which is balanced chemical equation here, is CH4 gas plus water, which is a gas, giving the product of carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen, which is having direct coefficient, right? So in this case, they gave us the graph here. So the graph is having number of mole of carbon monoxide, as you can see here on the y-axis, and then versus the time. So at a certain time, the graph here during the course of reaction, so you can see the number of mole increases with the increase in time. However, at a certain time here, now we find a fixed we ended up having a fixed number of mole at a certain time here. So it means this here we have the equilibrium. Equilibrium is reached. So it's reached. Spelling there. So the equilibrium is reached in that case. So the question says calculate the number of, so it's calculate the value of Kc, which is equilibrium constant at the fixed temperature used in this reaction. So based on this problem which we are given, they gave us the graph, meaning that in this graph, because it's number of mole of CO gas or carbon monoxide gas, you can see that here you are having a certain value of number of mole at a certain time whereby the equilibrium is reached. So because there is this number of mole, this means that this is the number of mole of carbon monoxide or CO gas at the equilibrium. Now, to do calculations for Kc, we draw the table. This is the table, already drawn my table. So you can see here, there is a ratio, initial mole, change or used mole, and then final mole at the equilibrium, and then here you find concentration. So I just wrote the equation like this, and then in that way. So the ratio here is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 3. All right. Then what I normally do, so the ratio in this case is the same as here. You're going to have the on the change here, based on the ratio is going to be 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 3. Right. I have not read the question. So this is the same as 1x, 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 and then this is gonna be 3x. All right. So this I write with the pencil initially. So then from there I go to the equation. The equation said that initial mole of 2,2 mole of CH4 and 1.8 of H2O are mixed in a sealed container 2 cubic decimeter. So therefore initially I have a CH4 which is 2,2, and then water they say is 1.8. So this 1.8. Then I go to the graph here. The equilibrium is reached here. So since the equilibrium is reached there, so then here I know at equilibrium I have 0.6 of CO. Then I go to the equilibrium. So here also you have 3x here. The value which is here is the same as value is here, and then here is the same as 1x. So the value which is here, since this is the product from here, so these are your products. You have two products in this case. So therefore I'm having I have carbon monoxide which is having 0.6. So wherever there is x, I'm going to put 0.6, since the value here is the same as the value here. So which means that according to the ratio, ratio is 1x 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 also 1x is to 1x is to 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 3, and then I put x x x and then 3x. So where there is a x, we say we are going to put this value here, right? Because 1x is the same as 0.6. So wherever there is a x, I'm going to put 0.6. Now I write using a pen. 0.6 on this one, 3, 0.6. Then this one where there is 3, so where there is x, I put 0.6, and then I get my answer here. And then I'll get my answer here. I don't know how much is gonna be there. Right, then from here, now I have the value for this one and for this one. Okay, so I had to find the value for the final. So the value initial here is always more than this value and this value. If you add the value of change or the used one and the final mole at the equilibrium, they must give me the initial mole. So meaning that for me to find this value here, I had to say initial minus the change so that I can find the final. So therefore 2, 2 minus 0.6. Then I have my answer here. Right. So in this case, if I take this one is the answer is gonna be 1, the answer is gonna be 1.6 in this case. And then in this one, if I minus this one, I'm gonna remain with 1.8 minus 0.6. Then I'm gonna remain with 1.2. Then from there, remember volume equals to 2 cubic decimeter. So in this case, for me to work out this problem here, number of mole, I use the one at the equilibrium or the final mole at the equilibrium, whereby 1.6 divided by 2, 1.2 divided by 2, 0.6 divided by 2, and then this is the same as 3 times 0.6. So in this case, this is the same as 6 times 3 is 18. So it's 1, this is the same as 1.8, the same as 1.8, right? So it's 1.8 divided by 2. Then from here, I have to find my value of Kc. Right. So this is how you make use of the graph mostly. So the graph are very much important. Here on this line, equilibrium, we say that is established. So since equilibrium is reached at this point here, so therefore that's why we took the value of carbon monoxide at that point.